Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. In today's world, we simply can't avoid API testing, right? It's the heart of every modern application. What if AI can give a helping hand here? Imagine this, if AI can write flawless API automation test cases with the simple call commands, the results might surprise you. Stick around, let's dive in. So, can Copilot write perfect API test cases? That too, Playwright API automation test cases? Yes. With the help of GitHub Copilot and Playwright combination, it is possible. So, what is required? We just need Postman API calls, whether it is get, post, or whatever request it is. With the simple API calls, it is possible. In this video, I'm gonna show you the demo step by step on how to create this. I will start this from scratch, so don't worry, you will get the complete idea. So this is a initial setup. I just installed Playwright and I created this file. It doesn't have anything else. It's a simple plain new project. Okay. So what we need is, as I told, in Playwright I just got the RESTful API one GET request and one POST request. Let's start with the POST. It has a simple request body. And you click on send, it will create an ID with the created at time. Right. Now, in order to generate the test cases, as I told you already, we need a curl. So, how to get the curl from Postman? We have the request, right? When we click on send, it will create, it will give a 200 response. So, on the top, you could see this icon code. Click on that. Then in the drop down, there will be number of languages will come. That we need to select curl. Then click on this copy icon. Okay, copy snippet is done. Then go back to VS Code. Here, 100 test. Let me create one file named API test.spec.js, right? So in this file, open the chat. Then let me give the command like create playwright API automation test cases for, let's say, below curl, include two positive test cases. Okay, and I'm bursting the curl. Make sure you are in the agent mode, right? And then model I'm selecting is Cloud IQ model I'm selecting. I click on send. I will see Copilot in action. It's just going to create. See, right? Two test cases are created in just seconds. So what it did is it created an object with the complete data, validating the HTTP response 200 and verifying the response properties. Then create object and it's creating one more object for me, second positive test case. Right, let's keep it and see what is there in the test case. So it created a group test.describe. Then there is a positive test case. Right, this is the object, and in the response, it is validating 200 response and it is verifying the response body. The second test case, again, it is verifying the response structure and data nested properties. Right, and it is verifying the data properties also. So it's a good positive test cases for this API. Let's run it and see. It's running two tests are passed. Okay, we simply validated this API in seconds, right? Now let's look at the next one also. So we have another get request also. Just with passing ID, it will generate what is available in the ID. It will give the details. And I'm go back to the code, just taking the curl, opening the chat. and add two more positive test cases for below curve, and just giving the I'm sorry below curve. I'm just giving the curl here, and for the reference I'm giving the sample response also I'm giving. Okay, so what we need to give is I'm just giving two more. I'm asking Copilot to write two more positive test cases for the given curl, and I give the sample response also since it is get. Okay, let me click on send. So it's going to add two more positive test cases. It just added positive test case 3 and 4. Right, it is done. It is retrieving the object by ID and verifying the response. And next one, it's validating the structure. Right. So let's look at the test cases. So this is 3 retrieving the object ID. Okay, response must be there. It's validating the object details. And next one is it is looking at the structure and the properties. Fine, let's run that and see whether it is passing. Okay, this is fast. So this is very easy. It is not only right. We can write a positive test cases. You can say please add one negative test case. So it can add a negative test case also. Hope you remember that and all when we write when we validate APIs using rest assured and all, we used to spend I used to spend a lot of hours. But now with the help of this Copilot and Playwright, we can create API test cases in seconds, and when Dev delivers any API, right, we can complete it. I mean within an hour, the testing, and with the Git and all, we can write it in. I mean we can run it in the pipeline, and it is the only word I can say is awesome. So be smart. Thanks for watching.